Hey guys, today we'll be just doing a little demonstration of something I just found that's really funny. So, you take out a big car, or some funny car, like, for me, train, and see, if you try to spawn it in here and go crazy, it says you can't spawn a vehicle in here, but I just figured out. If you're doing the trampoline, you get to the top, sometimes it lets you spawn a train. And then you fly across the map on it. And it's insane and hilarious. It's really fun. So, let me go back and do it again. I also recently got this hoverboard on the train and the clown car. Oh, come on. So that's also a way to get vehicles into the playground. Whoa! It's insane. Okay. I hope you have fun with this weird little hack thingy. And I'll see you in the next video. Okay, once more. But let's do it with clown car. Now, that was pretty lame. But look, now we have a vehicle in the playground where we're technically not allowed to have it. And it's sideways. Okay. I'm kind of confused right now. Okay. Yeah, there should be. Here we go. Oh, we're good. Oh, now we get to drive it around. Oh no. Come on. Just go. Yeah, I want to spawn a vehicle here. I can if I want, okay? There we go. Wait, oh my gosh. The train literally fell apart. I did not know that was possible. Look, it's shaking. Okay, that's awesome hack. I hope you guys liked it.